So I'm here at Gelson's, Calabasas. I called earlier, they said they have Impossible Burger. Let's check it out. Here they are, Impossible Burger. They come with not patty, which is interesting. We need to make patty at home. Hi, today I'm gonna compare Beyond Burger and Impossible Burger, and I'm gonna make both of them the same flavor with portobella mushroom with a little bit balsamic vinaigrette and Daiya cheese. Enjoy! These are the ingredients that we need other than the Impossible Burger and the Beyond Burger. I would say they look almost identical as real ground beef, and also the texture feels like it. First, we're gonna spray some avocado oil on the pan. Drizzle some balsamic vinegar on the portobella mushrooms. Also, sprinkle some dry white wine on the portobella mushrooms. Don't forget the garlic powders on the portobella mushrooms. Now drizzle some balsamic vinegar on the underside of the portobella mushrooms. Finally, we can put some cheese on top of the burger. I choose Daiya because it actually melts. I put my burger buns in toasters, so now they're crispy and warm. Hey Dave, now is the taste test. I cut them in half. One is Beyond Burger and one's Impossible. And you're gonna taste it and tell me which one is better, since now you can't really tell which one is which.
Am I supposed to just guess? You know which one, and then you'll tell me after I taste?
Yes. There's a toothpick in it. Try the other one.
I think that's the Impossible.
Which one do you like better?
They're both really good. I think I like this one better.
You like which one better?
The one on the